This is Jennifer, and in today's video, I have a fun new Shakira belly dance combo for you that I think you're really gonna love. We're gonna do some downward figure eights, some upward figure eights, some hip drops, and some amis, which are a little pelvic circle that feels really fun and juicy in your body. If you're looking for more step-by-step detailed tutorials on how to do the different belly dance movements, like the ones that we're gonna be doing today, then you'll wanna take advantage of the $1 7-day trial to my Feminine Fire program. There are so many videos in there, more than 500, so much variety, detailed tutorials, little mini routines, drills, veils, zill, all kinds of stuff. So you can grab that link in the description box below. But first, let's get doing our fun Shakira combo. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get started with a nice deep breath. Breathe it in and out. Good, let's breathe it in and out. Good, just widen the feet a little bit. Let's get some stretch, kind of warming up the obliques. Good, now reach it to the side, 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 side. Good, you can kind of add a little bit of rib cage slide here, just to kind of wake up those obliques. Slide, slide, slide. Good, let's get those lower abs working here. So you're gonna just tuck, release, so you're engaging your lower abs, pelvic floor muscles, and tuck, tuck, tuck. So actually, Shakira does this move on her own too. You could speed it up and it kind of becomes a move on its own. But this is an important part of our pelvic circle, our ami. So an ami is a small pelvic circle, which is different than our big hip circle. So our pelvis is really coming into it here. So we tuck, release, tuck, tuck, tuck. And then get that ami going. Just put your hands on your hips and feel that. I like to use this image of cleaning the honey jar, a honey pot, with your pelvis. It's a little pelvic circle. Let's switch sides, because we're gonna be doing this move in the combo today. Let's do a tuck. Drop, tuck, drop, tuck, drop, tuck. Good. Let's go to the right. This might be your left. And tuck, release, and the other way. All right, we'll come back to that. Let's do a step, step, touch, step, touch. Let's take it to a step hip. Just kind of having fun for a sec before we go into the next movement. Good, let's do some hip drops. So you have all your weight, not all, I would say like 90% of your weight in that standing leg, and you're focusing on the contraction here. Drop, drop. Other side, and drop. It's really important to keep that bend in the standing leg so that you have room for your hip to move. And you're focusing on bringing the top of your hip to the bottom of your rib cage. Okay, now let's do some downward eights, which is one of those classic moves that Shakira likes to do. So try to keep your shoulders in the same place. Squeeze, squeeze, slide down, squeeze, slide down. You can lift your heel to kind of help you here. Good, let's reverse that to an upward eight. So we sit, slide, squeeze, sit, slide, squeeze. This is an upward figure eight. You could do different stuff with your arms. Okay, let's put this combo together. And then I'll show you from the back, and I'll face the same direction as you. Let's start, we're gonna go drop, 2, 3, 4, downward 8, downward 8, and drop, 2, 3, 4, downward 8, downward 8. Then we're gonna reverse it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. With the pelvic circle, then we'll shorten the amount of reps that we do on that. Let's just do more while you get the hang of it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. And drop. Reverse it to an upward 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on me, 2, 3. You can go in whichever direction you want. Let's start again, drop, and 8, and drop, and 8. Reverse it to an upward 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. We'll shorten it next time. 2, 3, 4. Upward 8, 1, 2, just for 4. On me for 4. Up for 4, and on me for 4. Let's start again. Nice deep breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. And upward 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on me, 2, 3, 4. Upward 8, and on me. You could also do a fast on me like this for 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, your choice. And again, and 1. Upward 8 for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on me for 4 count. Drops. Upward 8, and on me's. Let's start again and drop. Upward 8, and on me's for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last time, 2, 3, 4. Upward 8s, on me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed that little Shakira combo, and I will see you soon.